Hey everyone, this is my auntie. This is what I have to go through. Constant reminding of what's going on, what we're doing.
Oh, okay.
A whole agenda of itinerary of what we got to do for the whole day. Today's Black Caucus Day, and we're going to the office right now. And Auntie has her book bag on. When did you start wearing a book bag?
Because it's just too heavy to carry all these things.
So, we are on our... What is she doing? See, this is why I had this stuff in my life. Like, people are extra.
Do I need an umbrella? Should I bring my umbrella?
I brought mine.
Okay.
It's right here.
Okay, you've got yours. Okay. All right, so we will get this guy to drop us off when we get to the convention.
Okay, so apparently our driver is going to be taking us to the convention center. I have to continue to do my hair and my clothes because, you see, I look kind of jacked up. Okay, right. This is what we have to go through before, what did Auntie say, before I get famous? Before we become famous. So, yeah, I have to finish my whole wardrobe. So tell people what we have to do for today. It's about...
Okay, today we are going to the 20th, I don't know what number it is, but it's the Congressional Black Caucus Legislative Weekend.
Okay.
Today is Friday, September the 25th, and we're going to try to participate in some of the Brain Trust workshops and network where we can and try to connect in the music industry and get this as much exposure as possible to people who can help her in her new venture.
Yeah.
My name is Lorraine Homestead.
What? This is a broadcast? What is this? Okay, so, yes, as you can see, literally I have everything from laptop to Dr. Scholl's to everything. And,
hello,
yeah.
hello.
So,
I want you to meet a future star, future leader of America. This is Sharice Jones, soon to be Dr. Sharice Jones.
wait, what is that? That's my cell phone.
That me?
Yes. My dad. Hello? Yes? I'm okay. How are you? Hey guys. It's me, and I'm Lorraine. And we are walking back to our car because we just left downtown, well, the convention center, and I had
Legislative Congressional Black Caucus.
So right,
event.
the Black Caucus
On Friday, September the 25th.
The 25th. Right now it's about 5:41.
5:41.
And we're running a little bit late to, we have to go to B. Smith for a, what is this thing called?
Well, we're going to a reception hosted by a congressman and apparently several Congress people.
Okay.
And it's going to be held in the major dining room, the primary dining room at B. Smith.
Right, which is in Union Station. Right, okay.
Formerly the suite, presidential suite back in the day when presidents took trains, and now it's a first-class, five-star dining room, and we're going there to participate in the festivities.
Right, so made a lot of contacts today. I guess the highlight of my day was probably meeting Cornel West. Well, I should say Dr. Cornel West, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Not friendly yet.
Right, we ain't on that level yet, but I'm playing. He was definitely cool people. And I ran into good old Pastor Tony Lee early this morning, and I sat in on a couple of workshops. Ran into Trisha. I call her Trisha, but you guys will know her as Trisha. And Denise, she's really connected with a lot of stuff.
Denise Mitchum out of Atlanta, Georgia.
ATL Charlotte. So a lot of connections, and then had a meeting.
Time with Tommy Brooks, who's the manager for the former Miss USA, Crystal Stewart. Go to her website, check her out. Crystal Stewart.
And of course, I ran into my play sister, Kanika McGee, as she you all as Reverend Kanika McGee. And let's see. Right now we're on our way to. We're getting in the car because we were at Lorraine's office, and so we just walked down because the driver. We didn't feel like we needed to have the driver to drive us down here, and it was a pretty good, decent day. So now we're about to get the car and meet up with Mr. Brooks again. Oh, and I talked to Chris on the phone. She was in L.A. or something like that. In L.A. by Macy's. It's in Macy's. It's in Macy's, downtown D.C. What's it, Grand Hyatt?
Nope, in Macy's. In the Macy's store.
Oh, okay.
Probably on the penthouse level or something.
Okay, so, right. So I'll be going to that, and my phone's ringing right now.
Okay.
So, but thanks, guys. I know this is very close and personal, but you hear from us a little bit later on by the end of the night.